Namaste, Anu Chabda here. Today I'll be showing you something very interesting happening in my terrace. So it is very much needed, and most of us we don't feel it's necessary, and because of that how much effort we have taken in our garden. But the fruit, when we expect the fruit from our plant, that is the small mistake which all of us do. So kindly just have a look what I am doing and how it should be done. So you must be wondering, what is this? I'll just tear this paper so that it will be very much clear to you what I have done. Yeah. So this, if you can see, it's a small cucumber which after the pollination has taken place. Now this, you see, this still the pollination has not taken place. Once the pollination is completed, you can see the increase in the size of the fruit, whatever it is, let it be a gourd or cucumber or bitter gourd, anything. So once that pollination is over and you feel the size of the fruit is little bigger compared to this much, now the very much you can say it is attracted by fruit flies. So fruit flies, they come and they lay their eggs in these tiny small fruits, because the outer texture is really very smooth and it's soft in nature, so that it's become easier for them to penetrate inside that fruit and lay their eggs there. So if we do not take care of our fruits in this stage, so even if the fruit becomes bigger in their size, there will be some hole or they'll get spoiled. I can show you. Now suppose this is a ridge gourd. So this did not get pollinated properly, or might be after the pollination because of the fruit fly it got spoiled. So we have to take too much care when it is in this stage. So I'll be showing you how to cover it. Now see, this cucumber I had already covered with the newspaper. I'll be showing you how I had covered it. So just take very lightly, you should not shake it much. Just wrap your newspaper around your cucumber. Make sure does not hamper any growth of your cucumber. And though, because we are not stapling with this, we are just stapling the newspaper with each other, and the gap should be so less that the cucumber is intact. Now what happens, sometimes we have covered it with the paper, and due to heavy rains or some other problem, it might get spoiled. So you can do one more thing. You can, with any old cloth, you can make such kind of a bag, and you can insert your fruit and then just pull it like this, or the ready small bags and all we get, then we can tie it here like this. And make sure too much pressure you are not going to give it to your fruit or wherever the stem is there. It should not, very lightly we have to tie. Now because of this covering of this cloth or with the paper, the fruit fly does not get the smell of that fruit and it won't come near to it, and even if it comes, it won't be able to penetrate inside that fruit. So your fruit will be saved. So make sure whenever you are growing such creeper variety, so it's or any other vegetable what we are growing, so it's better after the pollination is over and you see the growth of the fruit is has started coming, so better to cover it for the protection. So thank you very much. So we'll keep coming with some new videos, interesting ones, and the basic ones, the step by step, so it will be easier for you to enjoy your journey of gardening. Thank you.